Arti-Fact specializes in creating detailed 3D virtual models of interiors and exteriors of buildings and of individual objects for museums and galleries, using the latest 3D animation and compression technology. The finished models are scalable and, once created, can be used for many other purposes. Arti-Fact has been using 3D technology for over 8 years to help their clients visualize product packaging and transport livery, as well as building 3D computer-generated images of new property developments for leading developers such as Berkeley Homes, Fairview New Homes, Persimmon Homes, Barratt's and Bellway Homes. A 3D model can be an accurate and comprehensive reproduction of an existing or new space, incorporating all fixtures, fittings and exhibits. These can be viewed from any angle to ensure a consistent understanding of what the real space actually looks like. A two-dimensional plan requires the viewer to visualize the space, which often leads to more than one interpretation. A 3D model of an object allows a 360-degree view, rather than a series of flat front, back and side perspectives. To create a model, a wireframe is built which replicates the dimensions of the object, room or building. If the room or building doesn't exist, then architects' drawings can be utilized. The wireframe is then populated with accurate colors and textures from photographic references. Different effects, such as lighting, reflections and cornicing, can be applied through computer graphics. We have recently completed a model of the interior of the entire British Museum to facilitate the project management of renovating and developing existing space. A virtual model of a space or exhibition can assist a museum or gallery in gaining approval by sponsors, governing bodies, funding providers, public consultation and stakeholders, since all parties can see an accurate representation of the outcome of that funding. 3D models are useful for identifying opportunities to renovate and develop existing or new space to further enhance a museum or gallery. The model also is used to define, design and deliver capital projects by enabling everyone involved at the initial planning stage to see a clear and accurate representation of the finished concept. Everything can be carefully considered: the architectural design and evaluation, costing, risk analysis, feasibility studies and raising funds. The project team will understand the goals and will have a clear picture of the required project management and construction planning issues. A 3D model makes space planning easier by allowing the movement of exhibits and new exhibitions to be planned virtually without disruption to museum space. It also helps management identify changes to improve the visitor's experience by enabling exploration of front-of-house delivery and customer care, improved access and facilities, exhibition tours, signage, design of exhibits and prototype testing prior to installation. And all without disruption until the final requirements have been established. A model is also useful for access audits, for DDA compliance, designing lighting schemes, interior design, building performance investigations and HLF applications. 3D virtual models of objects and space, whether a room, a series of rooms, a floor or the whole interior of a building, open up a wealth of possibilities for enhancing the visitor's experience and making exhibits more accessible to the public, both physically and intellectually. A 3D interactive virtual tour of rooms and exhibits within a museum, including information about the history and importance of the exhibits, can be incorporated into the museum or gallery's website to allow visitors to explore and plan their visit in advance. A 3D model of exhibits allows people to view an object through 360 degrees and carry out their own research projects at home or in their workplace. With the information available online, people unable to visit the museum or who make infrequent visits can use these important resources. A short-term exhibition can be made available indefinitely, so that people who missed it can still enjoy the online experience. A virtual model can also be created to illustrate the original location of an exhibit, with which, combined with multimedia information about its history and importance, brings greater understanding. 3D models can also be incorporated into interactive experiences to encourage visitors to explore an exhibit in more detail, such as witnessing how a pyramid has been constructed. For more information or to see further examples of our work, please visit us on the Arti-Fact stand.